अभी भी बाकी है तो सोच रहा पैनल डिस्कशन के टाइम पे we can at least interact with each other. So firstly, I would like to introduce Mr. Bhavesh Kothari, who is an entrepreneur, a startup mentor, who is having a 20 plus years of experience in the corporate, and he has authored over 100 articles which are usually based on SMEs and entrepreneurship. So once again, a round of applause for Mr. Bhavesh Kothari. और वो वैसे भी VSS के साथ काफ़ी टाइम से जुड़े हुए भी हैं और हमारे लिए काफ़ी सपोर्टिव भी रहते हैं. He does mentor our startups. So yes. Next we have the Enter Trainer. And actually, when I was looking I was going through his profile. That was one catchy word which I find it very amazing, and that is why I used it specially. So he's Mr. Hariharan Iyer, who is a motivational speaker and trainer. And author as well. और आज भी वो हमारे सामने एक कोई अपनी बुक लेके आए हैं and which seems to be very amazing because frankly speaking मैंने उसका synopsis भी पढ़ा and I think you all should go for it. Yes, the Enter Trainer is actually having a 25 years of experience in training and he's also a Reiki Grandmaster. So once again, please welcome to Vadodara Startup Studio. Alright, so today we'll be having a discussion on, I can say, a usual topic but an important one because ऐसा लग रहा है कि कहीं ना कहीं कुछ ऐसे लूप होल्स हैं जहां पर आपको और हम सबको मिलके काम करना पड़ेगा. So the word in the market is such that if that too in the ecosystem कि 95 to 99 startups find it very difficult to succeed. Yes, so this will be a point of discussion today. And my first question to all the dignitaries here, my first question is, what do you think or what is your review about this scenario? Sir.
So, first of all, thank you so much for this lovely introduction and inviting us here. I think that the Gujarat startup ecosystem has created, and it is fantastic. So thank you, Nikhil bhai. Thank you VSS. Thank you Parul University for this honor. I think this gives me more opportunity to keep coming here very often, and I'm delighted that I'm also a part of the mentor board that you guys have created. And that is very essential because over the past 9-10 years of my so-called startup entrepreneurial journey, I have been very vocal about the importance of a mentor. And I'm very fortunate to see that a few years ago when people talked about mentoring and now when they look at mentoring, I think there's a sea of change and they have understood the importance of mentoring. So coming to your question is, there are a lot of challenges which an entrepreneur goes through, right, when he or she starts. And when it comes to support coming from the ecosystem, I think one of the most important aspect that I recommend any startup, or I'm sure a lot of my investment or industry professionals, is look at creating value. Right? I think वो हिंदी में कहावत है, गुड़ बनाओगे तो मक्खियाँ भाग के आ जाएंगी. Right? So if you create value, you don't have to look at a valuation perspective. And I think that is one of the most challenging space. A lot of startups don't understand that not every startup needs to look at raising capital. Right? Then there is another saying of why should you raise capital? How much should you raise? So on and so forth. So I mean that is a very generic story altogether. But most important is that you need to understand. One is, as Hari says, purpose, right? Second is the vision. The third is what do you want to achieve? What is the value that you are trying to provide your ecosystem or the stakeholders, right? So you need to have a very laser sharp focus on all these aspects because you'd hear this term entrepreneurship, the lonely journey, and there is a lot of challenges, right? So keep this in mind. That's one. Don't beat yourself if it does not work. I think there is always a rebound and a bounce back chance as well, right? So I don't remember now how many startups I had, how many businesses I've done, right? This is all experience, right? Enjoying it is the most important aspect. I think if you don't enjoy what you're doing and you're trying to just make money, I think that can be done anywhere, right? See how are you going to be able to not run the rat race of this valuation aspect. Investment के पीछे भागो मत. I think वो आ जाएगा. The first investment is your customer. Simple. And ये मैं ही नहीं, आपको दुनिया का कोई भी बनिया कोई भी investor बोलेगा आपको. Okay. So all this combined, so there's a huge hue and cry about startup ecosystem. We just reached that, not even reached the pinnacle. अभी तो शुरुआत है ये startup ecosystem. Right? So don't look at news that motivates you to raise capital. Look at them as, oh, can I have a larger vision than that? Not from an investment perspective. Yes, why not? So your short-term goal, your medium-term goal, your long-term goal, ये सब हमको पता है. There is no rocket science about it, right? The idea is that be sensible, be very clear-cut in your objectives. और अगर नहीं हो रहा है तो it's okay, right? But you should be able to do your research so thoroughly that रात को 2 बजे उठाएंगे तो भी आपको पता है कि करना क्या है और कर क्या रहे हो, right? फिर वो numbers and वो सब अपने आप आ जाएंगे. And honestly, I'm not an expert in all these things, but this comes from a lot of experience of what I have done over the past so many years as well, right? So that's my submission onto it.
Sir.
Okay. So first of all, thank you Nikhilji and thank you team. It's been an amazing day for us since morning, and I've come to Baroda after a really long time. So again, as Bhavesh said, I have not done any research on this, because when I look at a 21-year-old standing here and saying all the things that he says, it only gives me a complex that where are my brains? So, and people of my generation, I'm not that old, but I'm just using that term. Okay, so people of my generation, when we were kids, when we were young people, so I'm fascinated by what Nikhil is doing at his age. I'm very fascinated by all these startup ideas. At our age, if we even try to do something like this, our parents would be in major culture shock that there is something wrong with this guy. He can't be that intelligent, right? So I think first of all, compliments for the fact that you have the intelligence and you have the courage, and you have the differential thinking, that you are ready to take the entrepreneurial plunge even at 18. I know there are people who have started thinking about ideas at 14, 16, and it's amazing. It's absolutely amazing. So having said that, just to answer your question in terms of why most of the startups kind of fail, they don't move forward. I think failure is part of life, and if you look at percentage of failure, it's always higher than success. So success is always less when you compare it with failure. So that's a fact of life. That is number one. Second is who are doing these startups. Mostly it is the millennials. Millennials are fantastic, but they don't have patience. And millennials are absolutely driven by ambition, and they want to become rich very fast. So I'm saying the same thing what Bhavesh is saying, in a slightly different manner, that people want to become rich very fast, and I'm not saying there's anything wrong with that, but sometimes your ambition and your capability may not match. So I may want to become a Formula One racer, but at least I need to know how to drive on Indian roads properly first, right? So I can have my ambition, but am I capable enough? So I think one is capability, which can be built over a period of time. But second, I think it's about patience. Correct me if I'm wrong. There are also a lot of startups who wind up because they've not got the results they wanted in the first 2 or 3 years or whatever, and they've gone back to a job, which is not bad. It's always good to get some corporate experience. But I would say it's having ambition is one thing, and knowing where ambition ends and greed starts is another thing. And sometimes your greed can be very demotivating, and you may miss out on the fact that you are doing actually better than what you started out, but you feel very bad because somebody else is doing better than you, or you haven't reached where you want to reach. So one of the, as an entrepreneur myself for the last 12 years, and I consider my company as a 12-year-old startup. It's still starting. It seems to start every year, right? So it's always a new beginning. It's very exciting. So when I look at my journey, and I am a corporate trainer, and I ask somebody, will I get funding? Training में funding नहीं मिलेगा. First develop a tech platform, कुछ app बनाओ, कुछ ऐसा करो. I'm a traditionalist. So when now I tell people, and I meet some of my old colleagues, and they ask, so Hari, how's life? Since when have you been doing this? 12 years, and that itself is building my credibility now. Because what they're recognizing is, this guy is still around. You see, I don't know whether you follow cricket or not. Yesterday New Zealand drew the match. At the last wicket. At the end of the day, it does not matter whether you lost 9 wickets or you lost 6 wickets. You drew the match. And they are there to fight another day. Many entrepreneurs don't understand this. So please love Test cricket. Don't love this T20 and IPL. And many of our, and I'm a great cricket fanatic. I feel cricket is philosophy. You can learn so much about philosophy and psychology from cricket. So you look at cricket and you will see that the T20 stars, they can't survive 20 balls in Test cricket. And entrepreneurship, even if you want to play the valuation game, even if you want to sell off, even if you say I want to become rich at 35 and retire, even if you have to do that, you still have to work 10 years at least, na baba. You get what I'm saying? So have patience. And I remember, I don't know whether I'm giving a very long answer to a short question, but one last point. My super boss used to say, careers are always built inch by inch, not kilometer by kilometer.
Wow.
It's a brilliant statement. And that's what startups are trying to do. Many businesses are trying to do. At whatever age. You can be mad at 40 also, you can be mad at 20 also. It does not matter. Age is not the issue. So you have to build a business also inch by inch. It takes time. And I think a beautiful point that Bhavesh made, you have to enjoy your journey. You can only enjoy your journey if you don't compare yourself with other people's journeys. It's your journey. It's very unique. I have built a fairly successful corporate training or overall training organization without doing any annual budgeting, without doing any revenue projections, without asking for funding, without even knowing where I want to go in the next 5 years. Because after COVID, I realized if you're alive in the next 5 days itself is a great thing. Why are you bothered about 5 years plan here? Are you going to be alive after 5 days? So just thank your stars that you're alive and we're having this beautiful meeting, and we enjoyed some absolutely amazing Gujarati thali, thanks to Nikhil bhai. So I think life is beautiful. So just enjoy your journey and don't bother if you're not following the typical management formula for success. You, as an entrepreneur, you are the formula. You are creating your own formula. It's okay. It will take its own time. Right? So that's a very short answer to a very long question.
That was amazing. Nikhil sir, what do you have to say about this?
बस फेलियर से सीखना शुरू करो ऑटोमेटिकली 99% जो है ना वो 80% पे आ जाएगा. एक्चुअली द प्रॉब्लम विद द यंग एंटरप्रेन्योर्स इज दैट कि वो फेलियर्स देखते नहीं है और उससे मेरा थोड़ा अलग. आई एम अ वाइट हेड जूनियर बट थोड़ा अलग है. दे आर नॉट प्रोवाइडिंग क्वालिटी. मेरा थोड़ा अलग है. तो ये करते करते आई डोंट नो कि दे आर डूइंग प्रॉपर थरो रिसर्च और नॉट. अभी आई थिंक मैं आधे घंटे पहले एक दूसरी मीटिंग में था और हम डिस्कस कर रहे थे कि सिमिलर प्रोडक्ट्स बहुत सारे मार्केट में आ चुके हैं. एक ही सेगमेंट में बहुत सारे स्टार्टअप्स काम कर रहे हैं और सब बोल रहे हैं कि सक्सेस क्यों नहीं मिल रहा. सो डिस्कशन वो वहाँ पे अटका था कि भाई ज्यादा रिसोर्सेज लगा दे एक साथ, यानी 15 करोड़ रुपए से एक साथ अगर डाल दे सो क्या मार्केट कैप्चर कर सकते हैं. बट आफ्टर पुशिंग द 15 करोड़ रुपीज इन द मार्केट, क्या वो आप मार्केट में सर्वाइव कर पाओगे क्या? सो वो भी क्वेश्चन होना चाहिए. क्योंकि अभी है ना, अभी तक हमारे चैलेंजेस अलग थे. जैसे हमने सुबह में भी डिस्कशन किया, चिंतन भाई इज वन ऑफ द वीकनेस एंड बहुत पुराने साथी है मेरे. पहले ये इशू था कि स्टार्टअप के पास फंड्स नहीं है. तो ये 2 साल पहले का क्वेश्चन.
फंड्स के पास स्टार्टअप नहीं.
अब हाँ, अब लास्ट 15-20 दिन से मेरे साथ ये हो रहा है कि फंड्स के पास स्टार्टअप नहीं है. लिटरली.
Yes, absolutely.
और तीसरा सिनेरियो भी देखने का मिल रहा है जहाँ एक्चुअली जहाँ बूटस्ट्रैप से काम हो रहा है, जहाँ पैसे की जरूरत ही नहीं है, तब भी वो फंड के पीछे भागे. तो जो ऑर्गेनिक ग्रो हो सकता है, जिसको आराम से ऑर्गेनिकली ग्रो करके एक भी रुपए का इक्विटी डायल्यूट करने की जरूरत नहीं है, वहां भी इक्विटी डायल्यूशन की गैप पे जा रहे हैं. सो इतने टाइम से हम भावेश जी के साथ कनेक्टेड है, सबके साथ कनेक्टेड है, रोहित सर के साथ कनेक्टेड है. मैं मेरी टीम, मैं और जिल, हम साथ में गए थे इवेंट सोशल पब्लिक की टीम के साथ इन सूरत. तो हमें लग रहा था कि वेंचर फंड का कल्चर गुजरात में क्यों नहीं है. तो वडोदरा में 3-4 जो इंडस्ट्री पीपल है उनको पीछे में वो पिन करना पड़ता है, सर देख लो ना, एक अच्छा प्रोजेक्ट आया है, देख लो ना. तो ये बोलते हैं ना कि हम है, 4 लोग हैं. तो we decided कि हम पूरा गुजरात का स्टेट का मार्केट एक्सप्लोर करते हैं. तो we went to सूरत. Sir, they are having the funds, but they are not having the qualified startups जिसके अंदर वो पैसा इन्वेस्ट करें.
Yes.
तो मैंने सूरत के स्टार्टअप को पूछा कि भाई तुम्हारे यहाँ तो 500 करोड़ पड़े इन्वेस्ट करने के लिए, तुम क्यों नहीं करते हो? सर ऑर्गेनिकली मस्त चल रहा है ना, फिर क्यों इक्विटी डायल्यूट?
Very good.
और ये शायद अगर ये समझ ले स्टार्टअप कब चाहिए इन्वेस्टमेंट, कितना चाहिए, कैसे चाहिए, कैसे ग्रो करोगे, या इन्वेस्टमेंट मांगे या पार्टनरशिप मांगे, या इन्वेस्टमेंट मांगे या धंधा मांगे, प्रॉफिट पे शेयर मांगे या इक्विटी दे. तो ये से सारी चीजें हो कहीं ना कहीं अगर थोड़ी समझना शुरू करें और जो मिस्टेक बाकी स्टार्टअप्स ने पहले कर दी है अगर उससे सीख के थोड़ी अगर कम करना शुरू करें तो 99% से 80% तो आ ही जाएगा.
Wonderful. If I may, with all permission, of your permission, आज सुबह ही एक मैंने अपने ट्रेनर से एक चीज सीखी थी, लाइक माय वर्कआउट ट्रेनर. सो आई एम जस्ट शेयरिंग दिस एग्जांपल, जस्ट लाइक सर आपने मेंशन किया दैट वी शुड हैव पेशेंस, एंड जैसा भावेश सर ने भी मेंशन किया दैट वी शुड एंजॉय दिस जर्नी. व्हाट हैपेंड वाज दैट कभी कभार क्या होता है, जैसे सिंपल सा एग्जांपल है कि खाली आपको हेल्थ मेंटेन करने के लिए आप लोग वर्कआउट करते हैं, जिम में जाते हैं, कोई तो एक्टिविटी करते हैं, एंड देन वी एक्सपेक्ट कि हम 10 दिन में 6 महीने में उतर भी जाएंगे. बट जो डिजास्टर हमने 4 साल पहले कर दिया, या जो चीज हमने शुरू की, एंड वी नो दैट इट विल टेक टाइम, राइट? देन ही सेड जस्ट वन थिंग, बिकॉज आई वाज लाइक हाँ थोड़ा फ्रस्ट्रेशन भी आ रहा है क्योंकि खाना भी ढंग से नहीं मिलता इस केस में, तो वी गेट इरिटेटेड. ही सेड जस्ट वन थिंग टू मी दैट मैडम आपने जो इमोशंस उसके साथ जोड़े हैं ना वो थोड़े चेंज करने. यू आर टेकिंग इट एज अ प्रेशर, एज अ बर्डन. Don't take it as a burden, just take it as a positive thing that you are finally getting into a proper shape, and also you are motivating yourself to be very healthy as compared to others. So that is what probably I think I can relate to your points, right?
Absolutely.
So हमें सिर्फ इमोशंस जो हम लोग सोचते हैं कि हम स्ट्रगल कर रहे हैं या हम थोड़े से उसको लेके मायूस हो जाते हैं, आई थिंक कि थोड़ा सा और देख लेते हैं, चेंज कर लेते हैं, दैट ये स्ट्रगल चल तो रही है पर मजा भी उतना है, बिकॉज दीज डेज आर एक्चुअली बिकमिंग योर मेमोरीज. and then you will proudly one day say that हमने इस तरह से मेहनत करके इतना कुछ खड़ा किया है, जैसे हमारे पेरेंट्स हमें समझाते हैं कि हम चल के पैदल चल के स्कूल जाते थे, तब उनको आज उस चीज का प्राउड फील होता है. Alright, so thank you for giving me a chance here, and moving on to the next question, and that is, Hanji sir.
1 second.
Yes, yes, please.
सबवे, आप लोगों ने नाम सुना है सबवे. सबवे के सीईओ, उन्होंने एक बुक लिखी है, स्टार्ट स्मॉल फिनिश बिग. उसमें मैंने थोड़ा सा चेंज कर दिया, स्टार्ट स्मॉल एंड स्केल अप. फिनिश नहीं, यही स्टार्टअप की जर्नी है. एक सेंटेंस, लास्ट सेंटेंस. पीपल मे फेल, सिस्टम नेवर फेल. And that's why the journey of startup, that is the principle of I hope, idea, homework, opportunity, planning and execution, that is the implementation. This is a system. System never fails. My dear young entrepreneur, you start your startup, system never fails. Thank you.
Absolutely. Yes.
I can also would like to add with for this answer, okay, simple and very practical. Okay, today's startups, they live in fantasy, not in reality. Simple in one line, they live in fantasy, not in reality. If they check the reality, startups never fails. That's it.
Absolutely. So, based upon this question now, moving on further, so according to this discussion, I also came up with this doubt that we are always talking about startups, to the startups, about their loopholes, just like we did just now, and also that what should they do or what not should they do. But there are many other stakeholders who are also somehow connected or responsible probably for this fact. The 99% are not able to succeed. So what is your take on this? So like stakeholders like जो भी बाकी के अलावा startups के अलावा जो stakeholders हैं, जैसे कि centers, incubation centers हो गए, या कोई funding के लिए जो organizations हो गए या कुछ हो गए. So either what role can they play or what it should be or how it's supposed to work accordingly. If you can put some light on it.
Okay. So ideally, Bhavesh should be answering this first. I'm still learning the startup ecosystem. But I think one critical element is self-development. So everybody is looking at revenue, money, success. But what about your own growth as a person? What about your skill sets? Now, when I was watching the pitch deck sessions, and please don't take it in any other way, I mean, how many of you have actually worked on your communication skills when you're presenting the pitch deck? And I'll be very honest, I have been attending a few pitch deck sessions at various summits. It makes you, I feel sleepy. And if I were an investor, I've already gone to sleep. So I have not heard how much money you have asked for. So I think it does not mean that you are not excited about your business, but you also need to show the excitement. You also need to display that excitement. You also need to inspire the people who are listening to you, and they should feel the excitement. Otherwise it's a very self-centered presentation. I am here for my job, and that's the impression I get as an audience. That I'm here for my job, and this is what I do. I'm doing a great job. I've already solved this problem. I'm not even solving the problem. It's already solved. Okay, and I need this money. I think instead of that, while you do that, that's fine. You got to make an impression, and you got to work on your communication skill. Communication does not mean English. You can speak in the local language and speak with great passion. You can speak in any language which the audience can understand. You can speak with great passion. Of course, you should develop your English, because that's what will take you places. Right? Like we had one team that was who was selling in the American market, right? So okay, there obviously English comes into the picture, but I'm saying even in India today, like Javed Akhtar, I heard him once say this: you need to know 3 languages. Your mother tongue, because that's where you're born; Hindi, because that's your national language; and English, because that's your international language. And if I might add the fourth language, the language where the state where you live, right? So it's very important. I think it's probably it also comes from because they are young people who are starting businesses. It also comes from parental pressure. So maybe they've given them a deadline that, and maybe especially with girls. So first of all, you're a girl and you're doing this. I don't know when we will grow up. Okay. Okay, that's the first problem. Second is okay, वैसे भी तुम सुनोगी नहीं करो जो करना है, लेकिन 2 साल टाइम है तुम्हारे पास. You crack it, great. नहीं तो वो कनाडा में बैठा है, उसको होल्ड पे रखा है कि भाई 2 साल रुक जा, क्या इतना जल्दी है तेरे. वो मेरा फ्रेंड का भी टिपिकल हिंदी पिक्चर वाला सीन है, फ्रेंड का बेटा है, ये फ्रेंड की बेटी है. तो आई थिंक इट्स ऑल्सो गॉट टू डू विद पेरेंटल प्रेशर. एंड विद बॉयज इट्स अ डिफरेंट काइंड ऑफ प्रेशर दैट हमारे खानदान में ऑलरेडी ऐसे 2-3 एग्जाम्पल है जो बिजनेस डुबा चुके हैं. तुम भी उसी लाइन में जा रहे हो. So I think probably so maybe it's just a thought. It's a good idea to invite the parents of or the elders in the family of young startup guys. You do that?
Yes,
Fabulous.
yes,
And sensitize them. And maybe even invite their boyfriends or girlfriends, because that's also big influence.
So, yes. So I'm just adding. Actually, we are doing the same thing by the way since last 2 years. I guess उड़ान में यहाँ कौन है? दरिया है ना? दरिया, I think दरिया knows this. चिंतन भाई भी बताएगा, आपको भी पता है कि हम ना जो पेरेंट्स है या जो बॉयफ्रेंड है, गर्लफ्रेंड है, वाइफ है, जो भी है तो उनको हम इनवाइट करते हैं.
गर्लफ्रेंड अलग, वाइफ अलग.
नहीं जिसकी वजह से उसको तरक्की मिली है, जिसने स्पेस दिया है उसको काम करने के लिए. रात के 11 बजे घर पे जाता है विदाउट टेकिंग द फोन, मैसेज का रिप्लाई नहीं देता है, और जब लाइफ में तरक्की वो स्टार्टअप कुछ भी अचीव करता है, तो अगर ये जो कंट्रीब्यूशन अगर वाइफ का है तो वाइफ को सम्मानित करो, पेरेंट्स का है तो पेरेंट्स को सम्मानित करो, बॉयफ्रेंड का गर्लफ्रेंड का है तो उनको सम्मानित करो, और बेटी का है तो उनको भी बुला के स्टेज पे रिकॉग्नाइज करो. तो ये काम हम लास्ट आई थिंक 2-3 साल से कर रहे हैं, राइट? आई थिंक आप सबको पता ही है कि हम ये रिकॉग्निशन दे रहे हैं. तो हर डेमो डे जो हमारा मेजर डेमो डे होता है, और डेमो डे का एंड इवेंट होता है रिकॉग्निशन. तो जहाँ पे हम पेरेंट्स को बुला के, वाइफ को बुला के हम रिकॉग्नाइज करते हैं. योगेश भाई आपकी भी बारी आएगी.
So I think Hari made a very, very valid point, right? There's one more language which is very, very important, is the body language, right? Because irrespective of whether you speak, I think if your body language is able to pass that energy to the samne wala person, right? And when I say that, right, जो first three minutes होते हैं ना, बहुत crucial होते हैं. या तो आपके जो first 3 slides होते हैं ना, बहुत crucial होते हैं. Either the person in front of you is going to jump in his seat or is going to sink in his seat, right? So the choice is yours, right? अगर आप यही मार्केट में जाके बेचने की कोशिश करोगे तो कोई खरीदेगा नहीं. It's all about passing that energy to the other person, right? And be very crisp. मतलब मार्केट है नहीं है. Fortunately, there is a lot of information available today at your fingertips. Unfortunately, you don't use that. So, how to pitch? Again, preparation, very, very crucial. Right? Are you prepared yourself? I mean, you come on a stage and you give gyan, which is good. Have you done your homework in terms of what kind of investors are they? What sectors do they come from? Okay, all this is very, very important. I think it's a very important moment of your life. It's like वो एक बॉल में 6 रन चाहिए, राइट? और वो ही मेक एंड ब्रेक है. ये आपका वो एक बॉल है. It will either give you आर या पार. Number 1, फंडिंग हो या ना हो, that's not the point. I always believe in this saying, which has stayed with me for almost like 2 decades. It's better to try and fail rather than fail to try. Okay, and this should be your mantra, right? That's one. Okay. Second aspect is very, very important. I think, and I have been saying this for a long time, right? We as a society answering the question now is, we have never accepted failures. I think the moment we start accepting failures is the time we will break all the shackles and say, okay, it's okay. This is just one journey, right? I'm sure Thomas Alva Edison that famous story is there, right? He did not take 1,000 failures. He said, boss, it was a process for me. Those 1,000 times was a process for me to succeed, right? That's second. Third is coming back to the ecosystem, right? I think 4-5 years ago, what ecosystem was and what ecosystem today is, I think it's completely matured, right? And thanks to all the ecosystem players. As I said, right, mentoring was once known as "Bhai, kyun karna hai? Why should it be paid?" Blah blah blah. Right? Today, people understand the importance of mentoring. I remember in 2014-15 when I started a company called The Mentorpreneurs. Okay, and we would have, by the time I'm telling you, through 2.5 years, we would have mentored at least more than 60-70 startups. And when I said mentor, is hand holding, not just giving gyan, right? And I still today mentor startups personally. One of the startups was there with me. He had come here, right? There's this startup called Auto Worlds, right? And Billion Divas is another platform that I run to nurture women entrepreneurs, right? We have launched Syndicap Ventures last year to look at startup investments in early stage startups. So I think it's a journey, okay? And in this journey, I think collaboration is the key. Without collaboration, I think the world today is a blank screen, right? It's a family, right? So एक तरफ अगर startup है तो दूसरी तरफ ecosystem players है, co-working players है, incubators है, accelerators है. I think we all need to learn from each other. That is the key, right? And last but not the least, I think irrespective whether you are pitching an investor or pitching a client, I think when you accept this word called no, right? That is not, does not mean nahi. It means new opportunities. Okay? No's full form is not, nahi. It is new opportunities, right? It gives you an opportunity. Maybe have you been able to learn from that? Okay? I have seen a lot of startups fighting with investors. Okay? Nahi, this is the right space, right? Take it with a pinch of salt. That's his perspective, this is your perspective, right? So there's always something to learn, be it old, be it young, and I think that mindset of open to learn and adapt faster, because we are a fast-paced world. My senior, my boss, I call him my mentor, right? Mr. Venkatraman. He used to tell, पहले के ज़माने में ना जो 100 साल में होता था ना, वो 10 साल में होना चालू हो गया. अब वो 2 साल में हो रहा है and it will become shorter and shorter, right? So it's a fast-paced world. You need to adapt. You need to be agile. All these words you will find it, भर के है, लेकिन हम कभी उसको याद ही नहीं रखते हैं. And don't beat yourself, to be very honest. नहीं हुआ, it's okay. It's okay, absolutely. हमें किसी को दिखाना नहीं कि भाई I'm a founder and CEO of a, on a business card. ये एक बड़ी समस्या है. We want to carry that business card. We don't want to carry our mistakes. And this is a human mindset. So, enjoy this space and see how you could help bring that collaboration. There are a lot of things that you might know, which, let's say, for example, the incubator might not have, right? Hari has a very wonderful saying, right? पहले देना बैंक बनो, फिर लेना बैंक बनो. Right? So, भाई आप दे रहे हो क्या पहले कुछ? आप आते हो इंक्यूबेटर में आते हो, बोलते हो भाई मेरे को सीड फंडिंग चाहिए. Right? So, bottom line is build value, valuation will follow. You don't have to run behind investors. I'm very proud of one of my startups who I am mentoring. Every time he comes and tells me, sir, ये एक बंदा आया है, उसको फंड करना है हमको, and मैं ना बोल देता हूँ. बोला यार अजीब आदमी है तू, इधर लोग फंडिंग के लिए भागते हैं, तेरे पास फंडिंग आ रहा है. बोला we don't need it, as Nikhil said, right? So you have to understand कि आपको कब फंडिंग चाहिए. ऐसा नहीं कि चलो निखिल भाई ने आज डेमो डे रखा है, हम जाते हैं, पिच मारते हैं, लगा तो लगा, नहीं लगा तो नहीं लगा. See, you know, please understand, don't run behind investors. इतना तगड़ा बनाओ कि इन्वेस्टर्स बोलेगा भाई अब तो आजा यार तू, मैं कब से रुका हूं तेरे दरवाजे पे, खोल. And this is what I did, you know, when I was offered an investment 5 years ago. I flatly said no. I don't regret. The reason is because I knew where I'm moving. Today also, fortunately, Millennium Divas is self-funded. Not a single money is taken from any investor per se. Why? Because I know when I want to. Right? जब आप मांगोगे ना तो हक से मांग सकोगे. नहीं तो अब क्या होगा ना, वो नेगोशिएशन पे बैठोगे, फिर वो बोलेगा 5, डेस्परेशन आएगा, फिर बोलेगा नहीं चले यार साथ में खत्म कर दे दो यार चलो. Right? Commanding position is better या demanding position is better? Exactly. Absolutely. तो ये होना चाहिए हमारा मंत्र. There's a thin line between attitude and arrogance. Understand where that line is.
Also, if I can add,
Yes, yes.
I think very often we confuse what the real problem is. The real problem is not investment. The real problem is sales. You're not selling enough.
Absolutely.
And the problem is you're not learning selling. The fact that you're not selling is one problem. But that is actually the effect. The cause is I don't want to sell. Or I don't want to learn selling. You know, and so I remember a friend once posted on WhatsApp, very often the problem for your business when you're not doing well, don't run after investment, run after sales. That's where the issue is. Right? That's one. Second is you have to choose between success. If you have to choose between success and peace of mind, what will you choose? No? Yeah, but then a lot of us, we choose success and we let go the peace of mind. Yes. And I think that kind of success is not worth it. It's just not worth it. So you got to keep that balance in there. That's why I spoke about self-development. It's about having perspective. End of the day, my life has to be in balance. I have just about enough money to lead a decent life. I have a good family with me. I have a great family, but I don't see them. Right? And thirdly, okay, you get the investment. Both you and the investor are awake at night. He is worried that he gave you the money. In one moment of emotion, he got carried away. Investors can also get carried away, despite all the data sheets. You know, see, you know, भारत में ना एक बड़ा प्रॉब्लम है. हम सभी को इतिहास रचाना है. अरे मत करो यार. क्यों इतिहास रचाना है यार? Geography भी अच्छा ही है. You don't have to only do history. You know, so he is also awake at night. You are also awake at night. What's happening? It's not worth it यार. छोटी सी दुकान चलाओ, लेकिन खुश रहो. बड़ा दुकान बना के फिर हर महीना हर हफ्ता डॉक्टर के चक्कर काट रहे हो, लॉयर्स को हायर कर रहे हो. It's not worth it. And I'm telling you from experience. I'm sounding बहुत ज्ञानी लग रहा हूँ ना, बहुत wisdom आ गया मेरे अंदर, बहुत मार खाने के बाद आया. You know, I made those mistakes and I learned from those mistakes. You know, and that learning is always painful, I'm telling you. But it's very good. It's a wonderful pain because it keeps you grounded. So don't be in a rush. You know, I think I am double some of their ages, unfortunately. But still I am in no hurry, though my name is Hari. So what is your problem here? Get up in the morning with a smile and enjoy what you're doing and be grateful that you can do what you want to do. That is success for me, not the bank balance. If I'm still running HSSC after 12 years and tomorrow morning I can run HSSC all over again, I'm successful. Can I do that the next day? So can you take it day by day? 5-year goal, 10-year goal, मैं कब IPO बनाऊंगा? अरे वो कल क्या करेगा वो डिसाइड कर चलो. That is also not bad. Yeah. So I think we have got carried away.
That was absolutely amazing. The points which all of them have really. We usually confuse the definition of success. We usually get confused with it. We think that success का मतलब है बंगला गाड़ी और मकान और फैमिली वाले जिनको भी शायद जैसा कि सर ने मेंशन किया देख ही नहीं सकते. So
एक्चुअली हमारे जैसे लोगों ने ये सब बनाया नहीं तो हमको मालूम ही नहीं कि ये सक्सेस होता है.
exactly, like first,
जब बन जाएगा तो मैं अपना टेस्ट करूंगा.
absolutely, like first we should be clear of our definition of success individually. सबका करना अलग अलग होता है. किसी को शायद फैमिली के साथ they are if together, that is success for them. So yes, first define the definition of being that what success is to you. And secondly, which both of you and actually all of you have mentioned about the communication skills and body language. I think it is high time now we all should work upon it.
And a communication professional is telling you this. So.
Thank you, thank you. Moving on to the next question, and which is especially for both of you. That is, you have been here for the whole day. You have seen all of like most of our startups, the ones which we thought that they should approach here. What do you think? Which one I can say would you prefer or would you
蓝牙已
suggest?
正开。
Which startup? Hello.
Hello?
Hello. It's working. It's working. Yes. So, which startup, according to you, is preferably a startup which can be considered for something like this?
A further investment support,
Yes.
connectivity, or kind of a mentoring support.
Okay, Nikhil bhai, thank you for this. See, I'm not a great judge, to be very honest, right? Every startup is different in its own sense, and I'm not being diplomatic. Okay, I think we all are on a journey, okay? And if I have to select one or two, right, then I think I'm going to do injustice to others. I think every one of you has a potential, to be very honest, right? It's just that you need to really understand your perspective, your purpose, and then focus on that. Because every startup is on a different plane, right? Some of them are 6 months old, some of them are 1 year old, some of them are 2 year old, right? I think you have gone through that journey, you've gone through that grind. And in that phase, how much have you been faithful or honest to yourself? I think that is more important, right? वो कहते हैं ना कि भाई मैं अपने आप से छल कपट कर रहा हूँ या मैं मार्केट को दिखाने के लिए कर रहा हूँ कि भाई मैं बढ़िया हूँ and all that, right? So I think first is clear that mindset of yours. नहीं हो रहा तो नहीं हो रहा, it's okay यार. You can rework on this. You know, I have restarted my startup. That time startup वगैरह कुछ नहीं था, right? I quit, reworked, moved to a friend's business, scaled it up, again restarted, exited, lost one business or shut down one business, again restarted. So I think it's all about, you know, कि करना क्या है, right? And then finally one fine day I realized कि यार मेरे को मेरा purpose मिला क्या, what is my purpose of life, okay? And the reason I'm giving this is, you know, not picking up one startup is I think we all are great, unique people, right? Coming to startups or businesses, I think, in my opinion, is that if you want to run the race, right, make sure that you understand your goals and make sure that you want to finish it with flying colors or whatever it is, right? As sir said कि भाई हमको लंबा दौड़ना है, हर एक का अपना अपना जर्नी है, तो मतलब वो भाग रहा है तो मतलब मुझे भी भागना है ज़रूरी नहीं है. Maybe my exit might be, you know, six years down the line, because I think that's my threshold, right? My exit would be, you know, after 12 years or IPO and all that, right? So ambitions, aspirations is good, but reality also is something that you need to understand, okay? I loved what that ECG machine. Yeah, okay. This guy is doing. See, you need to understand disruption क्या कर सकते हो आप मार्केट को हिला सकते हो क्या, आप कुछ इनोवेटिव ला सकते हो क्या, राइट? वो एक अच्छा कहावत है, एंड ये इंडस्ट्री बहुत थोड़ी वियर्ड है, ओके? सो डोंट गेट ब्लाइंडेड बाय दोस टर्म्स, राइट? सॉल्व अ प्रॉब्लम सॉल्विंग होना चाहिए, राइट? हम वो देखते हैं ना, प्रॉब्लम सोल्यूशन, राइट? भाई लाइफ सिंपल कर सकते हो क्या आप किसी की? बस जिस दिन आपने आपके कस्टमर की लाइफ सिंपल कर दी ना, आपको बेचने की जरूरत नहीं पड़ेगी, अपने आप बिकेगा. एंड इफ यू कांट सेल योरसेल्फ, फिर आप बाकी क्या बेचोगे, राइट? सो सिंपल एग्जांपल, व्हेन वी मेक फ्रेंड्स, राइट, हम क्या करते हैं, हम अपने आप को बेचते ही हैं वैसे भी, राइट? हमारी खूबियां क्या है, हम बचपन में दोस्त बनाते थे, ऐसे ही बनाते थे ना, अरे मुझे भी वो पसंद है, मुझे भी वो पसंद है, राइट? वी ऑल आर सेल्स पीपल एट द एंड, मानो या ना मानो, we all are sales people, and if you can't sell, then you don't expect your team to sell. Okay? वो प्रेसिडेंट से प्यून भी हम ही हैं स्टार्टअप में, राइट? हम 2-3 आदमी के. ट्रस्ट मी, आई हैव लर्नड skills which I could have never imagined. I have learned Adobe Illustrator. I have learned Corel Draw. I have learned Photoshop. And I can do a better job than someone who's an expert in this. Trust me. And my digital platforms. If you search Bhavesh Kothari on Google, if you don't find me, I will shut down myself and I will go to Himalayas. That's the confidence that I can give you, because I did it. No SEO, no jargons, right? So success is built over time. It took me 10 years to build that Google में ranking में आने के लिए. Right? So don't assume कि कल unicorn है and परसों मैं चला. Never happens that. So please understand this. And ये ज्ञान नहीं है, ये आपको भी पता है. It's just about happy realization.
आपने यानी कौन से 4-5 शब्द अच्छे हैं.
हाँ.
One is the ECG product you like, right? I think the doctor on call was also a very good idea.
Doctor and Doorstep.
Yeah, doctor at doorstep.
So I think be
Doctor
right,
at doorstep.
be right essential.
Okay, be
Yeah.
light essential.
That was also the American market.
Yeah.